So have you seen those stunning liquid glass quick panel all over social media and wondered how do you get that look on your Samsung phone? So today I'll show you a simple method that does not require root, themes, or complicated apps. All we're doing is turning your existing quick panel into a custom liquid glass design using AI and Samsung's built-in photo editor. So step one is to take a screenshot of your current quick panel menu. So go ahead and pull down your quick panel menu, expand it fully so all the controls are visible. Make sure your layout looks exactly how you want it. So say, for example, your sliders here, your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, privacy display, smart view, your button box here. Your music player won't be affected. It'll stay the same. Your nearby devices and smart things. So any other toggles you use regularly, you want to go ahead and move it up here. Now take a screenshot. So this screenshot will act as a template for a liquid glass redesign. Now next, you want to go ahead and open up Gemini. Now on Gemini, you want to go ahead and upload that screenshot. And then you want to go ahead and copy and paste this prompt on screen. I've left it in the description down below. And then send it off. Now this will generate the image and let's see what it creates for us. Now here it's basically created as the liquid glass version of your original quick panel menu. So now we'll go ahead and save this. Now next you want to go ahead and open up your gallery, open up that saved liquid glass which we just created, and now we'll go ahead and start editing it. So we need to go ahead and crop each of these buttons out carefully. So we'll use the edit button here. Next we'll tap on this 4 dots here and then we'll use the lasso tool, and here we'll go ahead and pull out all of these buttons here. So we'll use the Wi-Fi first. So here we'll go ahead and tap on next. Now we'll tap on done and then save this. So like this, you need to go ahead and do this to all the buttons here. So I'll just go ahead and quickly do this. Now, once you've cropped all the elements and you've saved it as a copy, you can now use them in the preferred customization method. So the important part is that every button was generated from your own quick panel layout. So everything aligns correctly, sizing stays consistent, and the design looks authentic. So let me show you now how to replace these. So you want to go ahead and open up your GoodLock app. In GoodLock, you want to go ahead and turn on Quick Start. Go ahead and turn this feature on and then tap on Edit Panel Style. So we'll tap on this. And now we'll go ahead and start editing this. So the button box, go ahead and change this to the image which we created. So this one here. Now next, go ahead and choose the brightness. Then next, the volume button. Then we have the buttons. So for Wi-Fi, we have Wi-Fi there. Bluetooth. We have Bluetooth. Then we need to find privacy display and smart view. So privacy display is just down here. Smart things. It's right there. Nearby device. And lastly, smart view. So now if you go ahead and look at our quick panel menu, you'll see that it has this 3D look. Now I'm really not liking the button box here, so we'll go ahead and edit this picture. So here we'll go ahead and choose our button box image. So here we'll go ahead and edit this, and we'll use Galaxy AI to clear this part here. So to do this, we'll go ahead and tap on Galaxy AI. We'll go ahead and use AI Eraser, and we'll go ahead and just kind of make a box around this. Yes, I want to erase this. And there we go. We want to go ahead and press save, save a copy. And now we'll go ahead and open up Quick Start again. And here we'll go ahead and open up the button box, and we'll replace that with the one that we just created. Now when we press home, this is what our quick panel will look like. Now you can do the same thing for play music. However, play music is a button which changes often. So if I tap on play music, you'll see that when I play music in the quick panel menu, this basically changes. So I would recommend not changing it at all. So this is what your original quick panel looked like. This is what AI generated for us by Gemini, the liquid glass version. This is what our cropped individual controls look like. And this is the final assembled result. So this comparison helps viewers see how much of a difference the liquid glass effect makes. You can even go ahead and turn on, turn off Bluetooth. So all of these buttons are working. And that's it, guys. No root access, no complex editing software, no hours spent designing each button manually. Just screenshot your stock quick panel menu, let AI transform it into liquid glass and crop out the controls using Samsung's built-in editor. And then you're ready to create your own custom One UI 8.5 liquid glass setup. So if this helped you out, please drop a like, subscribe for more Samsung customization tutorials, and let me know in the comments what UI effect you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.